Okay, on our first video we used the SMD to remove the SIM slot and replace it. Now, after removing it, people ask how can you use only the soldering gun or iron to replace it, and I'm doing this part too. It's Kiwandar Phone Repairs and Accessories located in Kisumu Bus Park. So this is what we want to do. Okay, I'll apply the paste. I'll apply the paste so that when soldering, the solder will be attached to the slots, you see. So I'll also come again with the gun, soldering iron. Let me call it iron because for someone who is not technician, that sounds a bit awkward. So I'll come here and clean this. I'm making this so that it makes it clear. I'm doing this so that it makes it clear for the attachment. So I'll come and check on the pins. This is how they should be. So I'll make sure the four supports are replaced where they should be. The four supports are replaced where they should be. The four supports are replaced where they should be, because those are the things I'll be using to check on what I'm doing. So the next thing, to make sure that that thing is not moving, what I want to put is not moving, to make sure they are not moving, I'll come here and start with this side, you see. This is the side that is seen, eh? So I'll come here. After coming there, I'll make sure the alignment is okay. Okay, there are some types of works we don't need to speed up because you can't be quick and making errors. So I'll make sure the alignment is okay the way it is there. When the alignment is okay, I'll come with my soldering iron and work on it. And work on it very neatly. You need a sharp iron tip because replacing those things. Okay, because these ones are many and stronger, that's why I work with them first, you see. Then I'll now come here. After that is done, I'll come and hold that. And you see these ones, just place them this way and they'll be aligning total alignment. You see what I'm doing here? This is what we call the alignment. I told you after placing these things, you can either use a line or either use the line. You can either use the line, or use what we call the multimate. Okay, the support is there. So after alignment, you hold to make sure the come here. Our last support. You need a sharper gun for this, eh? Need a sharper gun for this. So that one you just place that way. When the metal is heated, you hold to make it dry. You hold to make it dry. Okay. So I think our slot is replaced. If you look at it, everything is how it should be. Everything is just how it should be. Perfectly located. Perfectly located. So if you have done this type of knit job, your line will just work. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll do some more.